Hey entrepreneurs, Sam Day here from Deytips, and in this video I'm speaking about how you can use recommendation engines to help you increase sales to your products and services on your website. So first and foremost, what is a recommendation engine? Well, a recommendation engine essentially is an AI-powered tool that recommends products and services to your website visitors that might complement either products they have bought in the past or the product that they are currently looking at. One of the easiest ways to do this is to actually show people recommended products when they are on your product or services page. So you spend all of this time, energy, effort, and money getting website visitors to look at your product pages, and then they might make a decision to buy, but they only leave with that product. And actually, you could increase your average order cart value just simply by having recommended products. And Amazon do this really well. When you are on Amazon and you're about to make a purchase, they will let you know what product complements the product you are currently looking at. So I always recommend going with a website platform that allows you to add different apps or plugins. So WordPress, for example, will have recommendation plugins or frequently bought together plugins. And the same with Shopify and Squarespace. You can actually add these features as additional apps. And these are the kinds of marketing apps and plugins that you guys should be implementing into your business. So first and foremost, one that you can put on your product pages that kind of tells people what products complement the product they are currently looking at. And literally within a click or two, they can simply and easily add those products as well to their cart. And this can help you to upsell or cross-sell some of your customers and increase the amount that on average people spend when they do come to your website. So obviously, if you're paying for advertisements on Google or Facebook or wherever it might be, you want to extract as much money as possible from your customers. Also, obviously, the products that you're selling or the services that you're selling are providing them value as well. So there might be genuinely products that are on your website that they might really want as well, but they don't know it's there because they're not looking at that product page. So it's a win-win. You make more money and they also get to see some of the products that they might want to add to their cart as well, but maybe they missed that on your website. So the second type of recommendation engine that I wanted to speak about in this video is one for logged in users. So this is particularly important for those of you who sell products online, but it can also be applicable for you guys who offer your services as well. So you go onto Amazon, for example, and you log in. Now, what you see when you log in is going to be different from what you see when you're not logged in and Amazon don't know who you are, because you will actually have tailored products recommended to you based on past products that you have bought. And again, you can use a recommendation engine to curate what people see when they actually come across your website. I'll leave links in the description down below to some apps and some plugins that you can utilize. I'll leave some in there for different platforms because I know not all of you are using WordPress for your website. So I'll leave some WordPress ones and some ones from other platforms as well. But essentially, when you add one of these recommendation engines to your site, when a previous customer who has bought from you before, maybe you've utilized some of the information I speak about in the formula and you're gathering people's names and email addresses, especially after they make a purchase. And so now they are not just someone who's bought once, but they are a regular customer of yours. When they come to your website and you give them the option to log into your website, then you can give them a custom experience on your website. So you can curate the products that they see on your website based on what they are most likely to buy. And obviously AI can do this for you with a recommendation engine. So rather than you just showing them generic products on your website, they get a tailored experience. And this tailored experience makes them more likely to purchase because the products are relevant to them. Some of the biggest companies in the world do this. I mentioned Amazon, but also Netflix too. Like when you log into your Netflix, you can see the movies that you've already watched or the programs that you've already watched, and it will recommend you different movies based on what you've previously watched. So Netflix know that they have, probably tens of thousands of things that you could potentially watch, but a lot of those things are not going to be things that you might want to watch. So if you are going onto Netflix and consistently seeing programs that are not relevant to you, you might feel that the platform is not for you and, cancel your subscription. And that is not going to help Netflix as a business grow. So they know that they want to tailor your experiences so you're seeing loads of content that's relevant to you, and this will help you to, stay subscribed. So this is something that you want to ensure that you have on your website as well. And it's very simple and easy to do. Some of the recommendation engines are free to use, but some of them you might have to pay a premium for. But these are the kinds of marketing tools that you need to be aware of and you can start implementing on your site, particularly if you are, implementing some of the SEO strategies and marketing strategies that I teach in the formula, and you're starting to drive some traffic to your site. You want to start thinking about tailoring the experience that your users and customers have on your website to increase not just sales, but also increase their experience on your website, and so that they know that the products and services that you're selling are relevant to them and they are a lot more likely to stay customers and buy more products from you. So if you want to know more about how to market your business more effectively online using techniques and methods that are actually working in our day and age, make sure you download the formula. It's the free guide to generating leads and sales online. And if you are one of my subscribers who have downloaded it, go back over your emails, find it, and make sure you actually read it if you haven't already, and implement the strategies in there, because so many of you, download the formula and don't actually read it. But I don't want that to be you. I want you to actually read it and make some changes to your marketing strategy. But also, if this video brought you value, please do me a huge favor and click that like button down below. It helps me in the algorithm and I'll appreciate that. But until next time, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.